Hey everyone, I'm Sam with Lilypad, and today we're diving into the world of Lilypad, a remarkable computational network designed to usher in the mainstream adoption of Web3 applications. It's verifiable, trustless, and decentralized, offering exciting possibilities for off-chain decentralized computing over smart contract data. This opens up the doors to a multitude of applications such as ML training jobs and utilizing built-in storage on IPFS and much more. If you'd like to learn more, please check out the docs over at docs.lilypadnetwork.org for more detailed information, and we'll make sure to link that below. Now let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of installing Lilypad and running Stable Diffusion, also known as SDXL. With SDXL, you can effortlessly generate images from a CLI. But first, what exactly is Stable Diffusion? Imagine it as the process of when you drop dye into a bucket of water. Over time, the dye disperses randomly, settling into a uniform distribution that evenly covers the water. In the tech world, Stable Diffusion is a powerful machine learning model used for text-to-image processing, similar to DALL-E. It's based on a diffusion computational model that leverages a transformer to generate images from text. Now let's dive in and explore Lilypad and Stable Diffusion together. All right, so let's get started. We'll want to head over to GitHub to check out Lilypad v2, and we're going to follow the steps in the README. To get started, we'll go down here, and we're going to have to add the Aurora testnet network to our MetaMask. So open up MetaMask, sign in. You're going to want to navigate to the top left corner and click on this drop down. Go all the way down and go to Add Network. You'll be prompted with this list of networks to add, but we're going to go down here and add a network manually. And we'll fill in all this information that we'll find in the README. So copy paste the network name, the RPC URL, chain ID, which is 1337, and our currency symbol, which is ETH. And Block Explorer URL, you can leave blank. Click Save. Network added successfully, so switch over to Lilypad v2 Aurora testnet. And you'll see I already have some testnet ETH, but I will show you how to get some testnet ETH for yourself. Go back to the README. We're going to scroll down, go to Run Your Wallet with ETH and LP, and we're going to click on the faucet for Lilypad. Once you've launched this, you'll want to enter your wallet address, where you can copy and paste it here, paste it in the address bar, paste, and click Request. This can take a couple minutes, so don't worry if it doesn't happen immediately. Just go to your MetaMask, refresh, and you will have your ETH testnet tokens in there. Now that we have our testnet tokens, we'll want to install CLI. For this, you can use Go Toolchain or via officially released binaries, but please keep in mind that for officially released binaries, you will need Linux. So for me, I'm going to open up our terminal, and I'm going to use Go Toolchain. So I'm going to copy Go Install GitHub into my terminal, paste that, click Enter, scroll down to run a job, and we're going to copy paste export Web3 private key, paste that into your terminal, and here you will want to delete this and replace it with your private key. So we'll head back to MetaMask, open up your MetaMask, go to the top three dots up here, click on that, go to Account Details, go to Show Private Key. Please make sure that you're using a dev wallet. It is a very high security risk if you use any wallet with valuables in it. You do not ever want to share your private key with anybody. It's easily hackable. So please keep that safe. And if you are exploring, please make sure you're using a new dev wallet. I'm using a new dev wallet, so I'm going to go ahead and show you my private key because I have no valuables in this. Hold to reveal private key. And you're going to copy and paste your private key into the Export Web3 private key in your terminal. Click Enter. We're going to head back over to the README, and we're going to copy the SDXL to run Lilypad. We'll copy and paste that into our terminal. And here, let's make this bigger. Once we copy and paste that into our terminal, you will see that this is where we insert our prompt. So we will want to delete with the prompt that's currently in there. And we'll type in something like cats in the sun. Click enter. That will run Lilypad. You see Lilypad has submitted the job. Job submitted, and it's negotiating a deal. Deal agreed, and it's running the job. So we'll wait until the job is completed. The results have been submitted and it's awaiting verification, but we have got a job completed. It says Lilypad job completed. Try open TMP, Lilypad, data, downloaded files, and find QMCF and all the rest there. So we're going to head over and open up our home, go to our file system, go to TMP, open that up, Lilypad, data, downloaded files, and we're going to find the correct one, which is QMC, which is this one. And we're going to open up outputs, and there is our image. And now that we've generated our own image together, we would love to see your own creations with Lilypad v2. Make sure to tag us on Twitter at lilypad_tech so we could see all of your creations with Lilypad v2. So thanks so much for watching.